Do you take care of your nails? If you care about how they look, then you probably do. There is a chemical compound that can be found easily in most homes and is used in several different ways. One of its various uses is nail care. We're talking about baking soda, which can bring several benefits to anyone who wants to take care of their nails. Here are some of the ways you can use baking soda in your nail care routine. It makes your cuticles soft. Anyone who does their own nails at home knows that cuticles have to be softened in order to be pushed back and removed, right? If you want to make your cuticles soft, baking soda is perfect. All you have to do is soak your fingers in some water with baking soda and lightly brush the mixture on your nails and cuticles. It polishes your nails. Our nails can sometimes look worn down, dented, or dull, and in order for them to look pretty and well cared for, they need to be polished. People who regularly paint their nails are more likely to suffer from this problem. However, over-polishing your nails can damage their enamel and weaken them. Baking soda is a great substitute and leaves your nails feeling stronger and prettier. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water, then rub the paste on your nails and massage it into the skin around them. Once that's done, wash your hands. Then polish your nails as you normally would. It whitens nails that have been yellowed by nail polish. The whitening and exfoliating substances found in baking soda can help whiten your nails. Mix 2 tablespoons of peroxide, volume 10, and half a tablespoon of baking soda to form a paste. Apply this paste to your nails and let it sit for about 5 minutes. After the time is up, wash your hands to remove the paste. Here's another option to clear up the yellow stain on your nails. Make a paste with a tablespoon of natural lemon juice and baking soda. Apply it to your nails and massage them for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. After just a few applications, the yellow tint on your nails will disappear and they will return to their natural color. It fights nail fungus. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that fights nail fungus and other microorganisms that affect your nail health. Put a little baking soda on a toothbrush and brush your nails with it. This will both clean your nails and also keep nail fungus from growing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.